India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated Odisha State's flagship economic conclave, Utkarsh Odisha, in Bhubaneswar on Monday. DD India's Amit Mukherjee has more.
The flagship economic and business conclave of India's eastern coastal state Odisha, which was inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, is set to put the state on the world's economic map. The conclave Utkarsh Odisha is a key step in achieving the vision of Samruddh Odisha 2036 and contributing to the national aspiration of Viksit Bharat 2047.
मैं पूर्वी भारत को देश के विकास का ग्रोथ इंजन मानता हूं और ओडिशा की इस विकास यात्रा में आपका निवेश आपको सफलता की नई बुलंदियों पर पहुंचाएगा.
PM Modi said that even ASEAN countries have also shown interest in strengthening trade and traditional connections with Odisha, and therefore numerous opportunities were opening up in this region, more than ever before since independence. PM Modi, while underscoring the tremendous potentials of Odisha as well as India, also cautioned the industry leaders about the threats of global disruptions.
देश की तेज प्रगति सिर्फ रॉ मटेरियल के एक्सपोर्ट पर संभव नहीं है. इसलिए हम पूरे इकोसिस्टम को बदल रहे हैं, नए विजन के साथ काम कर रहे हैं. यहां से मिनरल निकले और फिर एक्सपोर्ट होकर के दुनिया के किसी देश में पहुंचे, वहां पर वैल्यू एडिशन हो, कोई नया प्रोडक्ट बने और फिर वो प्रोडक्ट भारत में वापस आए. ये ट्रेंड मोदी को मंजूर नहीं है.
The conclave, a key step in achieving the vision of Samruddh Odisha 2036 and contributing to the national aspiration of Viksit Bharat 2047, will highlight Odisha's immense potential as a key player in India's industrial growth story. The event is focusing on 5 key sectors: IT, renewable energy, textiles, chemicals, and food processing.
While offering Odisha to the world as one of the best investment destinations, India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi made it very, very clear that India now has to move up in the value-added chain and also secure its supply chain system from the global disruptions. With camera person Rahul Chopra, Amit Mukherjee in Bhubaneswar for DD India.